Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is Virtual Learning System of Pakistan International School, Taif. And today we are going to start our lesson 12. In this lesson, we are going to learn about long division method. And second thing that we shall discuss in this video, a lesson, that how we divide a number by two-digit divisors. Let us start from book page 26. I am going to share your book page 26 with you. These are the solutions of your book page 26. In this page, we are going to learn how we divide the given numbers by a divisor having two digits. Let us start from question 1. Question 1, the statement is copy and divide. Working with carefully. So the part 1 is 542 divided by 48. Here 48, this number is called divisor, and this divisor have two digits, and 542 is dividend, and this is our answer called quotient, and at the end of the numbers, the remaining number is called remainder. Now how we divide? First of all, we take the digits 10 and hundreds. Here we consider these two digits as a 54, and we divide by 48 first. So first of all, we multiply the random number by 48. We must get the number 48, 54, a number that is very close to 54. So for this purpose, when we multiply 48 by 1, we get the same number 48. 48, this number is less than 54. When we multiply 48 by 2, so 8 2s are 16. Carry 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. So we get 96. Focus on this number, students. 96 is greater than 54. So we can't multiply 48 by 2. Therefore, we will multiply 48 by 1. We get 48. Now after that, in next step, we shall subtract 48 from 54. So you can write separately and then subtract from 50. 54. So here we take 10 carry from 5, we get 4 here. Here when we add 10 carry with 4, we get 14. 14 minus 8, that is 6. 4 minus, this is 48. 4 minus 4, 0. So we write this 6 here, and after that we shift this digit down, we get 62. Now we divide 62 by 18. Again we will multiply 48 ones are 48, then we subtract 48 from 62. So all of you know that the method of subtraction. Take 10 carry from 6 because 2 is smaller than 8. So first we make the number greater as compared to 8. So we will add 10 carry with 2, we get 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 4, 8, we get 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Students, remember that the last number, this number must be smaller than this divisor. If this number will come greater, it means your answer will be wrong. So remainder should always less than the divisor. In this way, then the next one, 719 divided by 62. So you know that 62 is already very close to 71. Therefore, we will multiply by 1. When you multiply by 2, you will get the number that is more than 71. Therefore, we will multiply 62 by 1, we get 62. After that, subtract 62 from 71. 71 minus 62. So take 10 carry from 7, we get 6 here. Here we got 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 6 minus 6, 0. Here no need to add 0. Just copy this 9 here and shift this 9 down. 9 here, you get 99. Now divide 99 by 62. Again we multiply 62 by 1. 62 ones are 62. So we subtract from 99. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. So in this way, part C and D. In part C, 605 divided by 23. First we take 60. First we divide 60 by 23. 23 twos are 46. And when we multiply 23 by 3, we get 69. So 69 will be, it will greater than 60. Therefore, we multiply by 2. We get 46. Now subtract 46 from 60. Here we get 5. When we take 10 carry from 6, we get 5 here. Cut 0, write 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. And after that, we will shift this 5 down. So we get 145. Now, we are going to divide 145 by 23. So for this purpose, we will multiply by random numbers. So by multiplying the random numbers, we should get the number that is very close to 145, or you can get the exactly the number 145. So I'm just multiplying by 4. There is no hard and fast rule in which number you multiply by the given divisor. Just random in, take any number 4, 5, 6, and in this way you will guess which number comes. 4 threes are 12, carry 1, 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 92. 92 is smaller than 145. Therefore, in this way you can check by multiply by 5, by multiply by 6. 23 multiplied by 6, we get 138. 138 is the number that is very close to 145. So when you multiply by 7, you will get the number that is more than 145. Therefore, we will multiply by 6. Right here 6 and here 138. 23 multiply by 6. 6 threes are 18. Carry 1. 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 30. So now subtract 138 from 145. Now subtract. Take 10 carry from 4. Here we get 3. 10 plus 5. Now when you take 10 carry from the next digit, add that carry with the previous number. Previous number is 5 here. 10 plus 5, 15. Cut 5 and write 15. Now subtract 8 from 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 3 minus 3, 0 here. You can write, no need to write 0, it's up to you. So 7 is remaining. Here the next part, 817 divided by 35. First we take 81. First we divide 81 by 35. And when we multiply 35, by 2. 5 twos are 10. Carry 1. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. 70 is the number that is close to 81. When you multiply 35 by 3, definitely you will get the number that will more than 81. 5 threes are 15. Carry 1. 3 threes are 9 plus 1, 10. 105 is greater than 85. Therefore, we will multiply 35 by 2. We get 70. Now subtract 70 from 81. Here take 10 carry from 8. We get 7. Here we get 11. Sorry, no need to take carry. No need to take carry because here is 0, here is 1. So 1 is greater. No need to take carry from 8. Sorry for that. 0, 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. And shift 6 down, we get 160. After that, when we multiply 35 by 3, you get 105. 105, that is 105 is a number that is very close to 116. And therefore, at the end, we subtract 105 from 116. So 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. So remainder is 11. So in this way, you can solve remaining parts. I am just going to show you part E and part F. Part E and part F. The solution of part E and F is in front of you. You can copy these sums in your notebook and can solve by yourself. I'm going to explain next question. Next question is same as question 2. In question 3, the statement is given, write these divisions in long form. This is long form. This is long form. And work out. Same procedure we will adopt, same rules we will apply as we have done before. Part A is 621 divided by 36. So first we take 62 and 36. Remember that this two-digit number 62, this number should greater than from this, otherwise you cannot divide. Divisor, remember that divisor is always less than the dividend. So 36, ones are 36, subtract 36 from 62. So take 10 carry from 5. Here we get, sorry, take 10 carry from 6. We get 5. Here we get 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 5 minus 12 minus 6, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. Then we shift this. We get 261. After that, we will multiply 36 by 7. 36 by 7, we get 252. That is very close to 261. Therefore, we subtract 252 from 261. So here, take 10 carry. Here 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. And 5 minus 5, 0. So in part B, the dividend is 800. Part B is given 800 divided by 76. First we write in long division method. This is long division method. Right? 800 divided by 76. This is long form. So first we take 80 here. 80 divided by 76. 76 is a very close number. That is why we will multiply. No need to check by multiplying the random numbers, because we know 76 is a number that is very close to 80. 76, ones are 76. So we subtract 76 from 80. Take 10 carry from 8, and here we get 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Shift this 0 here. Here we get 40. Here is a very important point, students, that I want to discuss with you. When you shift a digit down, you get 40, and 40 is still less than 76. But it doesn't mean you will not divide 40 by 70. If you will not divide this 40, it means your answer will be wrong. Because when you shift this number down, it means you must divide the number. Even the number is smaller than the divisor. Here the 40 is smaller, but no need to worry. Just when you multiply 76 by 1, you get 76. Suppose here when you multiply 76 by 1, you get 76, and you can't subtract 76 from 40. Therefore, you will multiply 76 by 0. 76 by 0. When you multiply 76 by 0, you get 0. So 76 zeros are 0. Now subtract 0 from 40, you get 40. Now here in this way, here 0 will come. So This 40 is remainder. If you don't want to shift this, there is another method that if you don't want to shift this 0 down, you can just multiply 76 by 0. You can write here 0 and then you subtract. No need to write this. It's up to you. Both methods are valid and both are correct. You can directly write 76 zeros are 0 here and then subtract 760 from 800. Both are correct. Part next, C and D. You can see the solution of part C and D. Very easy. Same procedure, same rules are applied here. You can solve these sums by yourself. And I'm going to explain part E and F. Look at part E and F. In part E, we have 699 divided by 33. So first we take 69 and 33. Consider that in this time we have only 69 is dividend and 33 is divisor. Therefore, we will multiply 32 by 33 by 2. We get 66, and 66 is the number that is very close to 69. Therefore, we subtract 66 from 69. 9 minus 6, we get 3, and shift this 9 down, we get 39. So divide 39 by 33. 33 ones are here. 4 is written. Sorry, here is mistake. Here you will write 33 ones are 33. So 9 minus 3, 6. Here is 1. So the next one is 792 divided by 23. So first we take 79 as usual by divide by 23. 23 threes are 69. So subtract 69 from 79. 9 minus 9 0. 7 minus 6 1. We get 10. Then we shift 2 here, and after that we will multiply 23 by 4. We get, you can multiply 20. So how you know we will multiply 23 by 4? We will guess. You can multiply 23 by 5 first, 6 first, 3, 4, and in this way you will get which number is very close to 120, 102. 4 threes are 12, carry 1. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. 92 is the number that is very close to 102. Therefore, we will write 92 here and subtract from 102. 2 minus 2 0, and here 10. Consider this as a whole number here. 10 minus 9 1. So 10 is remainder. In this way, in question 3, in page 24, question 3, there are the more problems regarding division sums. The statement is, write these divisions in long form and divide. This is your homework. Dividend and divisor are given. Here, I just want to explain one part for you, and remaining you will solve by yourself. In part 1, sorry, dividend is 385 and divisor is 24. Always write the dividend inside and divisor outside, and after that you will apply the same procedure here, here, and dividend 64 write inside and 57 outside. So maybe in some question the divisor may come first the dividend later. It's no problem, but you must write the dividend inside and divisor outside. In this way you can solve question 3 of page 24, here part C and D. Now you can copy part C and D from here. Now I am going to show you part E and F. This is part E and F. So inshallah in next video we will discuss more about division. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.